going to do in class today. Did you guys do it in the afternoon class, the Kirby-Bauer disk diffusion test? No? What'd you do in Professor Stanzos' lab today? Did somebody come in and cut all your vocal cords? You did cell transformation today? Yeah, we're going to do it next Wednesday. We'll do it Wednesday. All right. So the Kirby-Bauer disk, did you guys already do the Kirby-Bauer disk diffusion test? You did not. Okay, so good. I'll talk to you about it. So the Kirby-Bauer disk diffusion test is this slide right here. This is a petri dish with organisms. Organisms are spread all over the dish. And then you take these little white pieces of cardboard that are saturated with antibacterials. So here we have oxytetracycline, here's a cephalosporin, here's chloramphenicol, ampicillin, and gentamicin, and enrofloxacin. You take these discs and you put them onto the plate after the plate has already been inoculated. And this is called a zone of inhibition. This is where there's no organisms growing because of the chemical that's in this little white disc. Can you tell me which one of these drugs would be the drug of choice, or the first drug of choice? You can even tell me on the clock what position it's in. This one right here. This has the largest zone of inhibition. So for this organism, this is actually highly effective. Can you tell me what would be our last drug of choice? You bet. It's resistant. Right? So it's not effective. So this disk diffusion test, this Kirby-Bauer disk diffusion test, results in, where is it? It's an old one, but it's right here. Results in this little card that you get to carry around in your pocket. This is what drug reps are good for. Right? They're attractive, they bring food, and they give you this. So the idea here is that you get this little card, and I'm going to read you some things down this side here. Ready? Let's see, you guys ever heard of strep? VRE, what does VRE stand for? Vancomycin, resistant enterococcus. How about MRSA? Staph, Listeria, Neisseria, let's see, you've heard of this one, Escherichia coli, Shigella, Klebsiella. Ever heard of Proteus vulgaris? Ever heard of Serratia marcescens? Ever heard of chlamydia? So here's a bunch of organisms down this side. If I turn this direction, ever heard of linezolid, vancomycin, ciprofloxacin, levofloxacin, gentamicin, doxycycline, piperacillin, and tazobactam, all the drugs down here, and there's a little grid showing the first, second, third, and fourth drug of choice. This comes right from this series of tests right here.